many fans of Freestyle Motocross do we have here today? Oh, that's what I like to hear. We're just a few minutes away. I think we're pretty much full here at the Monster Energy compound, but you can check out the screens outside. Any place you can see 30 feet above those sea cans, you're going to see what you need to see. Freestyle Motocross and ready to come at you. And I know what's coming. Freestyle Motocross. These riders try to get themselves ready to hit it. This is their ride to get themselves set. Start warming it up. Listen to the sound of those motorcycles. See how many hitting motocross racing, including a multi-time gold medalist sitting out here with a racing set, you see, because the typical stakes are already there. They still appear on the ground. You see, they're also checking out other things as well. They're also talking to him. See, when he comes around like that, he listens to the sound right now. Yeah, they're moving the mic up, no doubt. They're also talking to you. Saying, we want you to be a part of this show. Because look, 30 feet off the ground across the 75 track. There's nothing you can start to see them getting the feel of it, but watch where they are looking. They're not necessarily looking at that landing ramp over there. They're looking over at you. They want to make sure that you're ready to cheer. You're ready to make some noise. Raise your hands in the air. Let them know that what you want to see is freestyle motocross. Because, ladies and gentlemen, the piece of language that started it all was this. Watch this. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as they make their way back here and have a chance to be able to get it, that's what I'm talking about, because your applause fuels. He grew up strapped to a snowmobile at 4. Oh, you know it, man. I love those riders who have that big extension, can do things that just dazzle you like, this man can. Rock solid to start it off. Pass a bronze medal to win that. One of the biggest whips in the game, and she 5 DJI Fly and KSFMX Yamaha. Let me hear it here for Vicky Golden. And then there's this old outlaw, the one I've known the longest. These days, you know, I always ask him what he's up to, and last year he said, oh, I was in a movie. So what was that movie called? So he runs through the sky, not even holding on to the bike. I said, what was the movie called? He said, Family Plan. I said, what was your... Now they're up there, I gotta have you guys keep it going here. Let me hear the noise as we let these riders do what they were born to do. Ladies and gentlemen, Freestyle Motocross is live at the Monster Energy compound. Our riders now line up in the same order that you saw them in. Sayers staying up on top, watching the ramp carefully. As Luke Dolan comes to it here, double wrap heart attack, but ended up into a rock solid. That's so cool. The even now, oh my! Like a super knack out of that with the Indy on that, but he was almost sideways on that back. Moves it upside down. A no-handed or one-handed backflip. Here comes Vicky. Oh, yes, as she stretched it out on top of the bike and looped it out underneath her. Sayers now upside down, slow-mo, as he gives you that original style of the backflip. Oh, a huge lip hanger up there, up into a jackhammer, getting those hands up high. Hilo clear backflip. Wilson Cordova backflip. Golden now, finding that rotation. You can see her use that old school style by ducking her head back and pulling again. Here comes Sayer Snap. Oh, that's the trick that I've been waiting for, man. I got the t-shirt.